I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
This is a big, fat Greek salad. It's delicious. Enough said.
Tonight we're making salad. It's super fresh and super healthy. I'm gonna eat it and really cry because I want a burger.
We're making a Greek salad, but we're not making it the authentic way without any lettuce. What if? I probably shouldn't say that.
This is a Greek style of salad.
It's an American Greek salad.
It's an American Greek salad.
So it's everything that you want in a Greek salad is going to be in this Greek salad. Starting off with lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yeah.
Let's sample.
Eric sampled everything on this table. So you want to use a really nice crunchy lettuce. You can use romaine or something else extra crunchy. I used green lettuce.
Green leaf. Green leaf.
Green leaf lettuce. Throw it in a bowl. And then next up we have some red onion.
I love red onion in this. When you mandolin a red onion, you don't want to go like this. You want to flip it on its side to get these ridges here. That's how you get the really thin red onion. So we're gonna do this without the guard for a little bit.
You put your fingers right through there.
You're gonna make a little bit of a mess, but I'm telling you, it comes out perfect, all right? Watch.
Oh my, you're getting very close.
So we mandolined an onion, and we're gonna put it here. I'm gonna give that to you. We're gonna put it right in this corner and call it the red onion corner. What do you think?
That is perfect. Wow, you're a superstar. We have some cherry, actually these are grape tomatoes.
Grape
that I
tomatoes.
sliced in half.
Yum.
A little bit of juiciness, a pop of red.
Cucumber.
Yes, I have a very large English cucumber. I like English because they're extra crunchy. So we're gonna cut it in half, and then you're going to slice it down the middle, just like this. Slice it again, and then what are we gonna do, Rico?
You're gonna half moon it?
Half moon it
I
up.
like half moons. You just slice that away,
Thank you for the
slice it.
commentary.
Here, let me, if you don't mind stopping for a second. These are the half moons we're talking about here. That is a half moon. Listen to this crunch. Oh yeah, perfect. Cucumbers sitting right here. What's next?
Pretty.
Feta?
Feta.
Oh, this looks
Your
good.
favorite part?
Of course.
Toss that right in there. I have some kalamata olives that
half,
are, yeah. I actually just bought the sliced kalamatas in the grocery store because it just makes life easy, you know?
Smart.
And then I also got sliced,
Pepperoncinis.
yes,
Or pepperoncini,
is
as I
it
say.
chini?
I say
or cini?
pepperoncini.
I say chini.
It's chini.
It's chini.
Pepperoncini. And a little taste for... Look at this beautiful bowl of luxury. Okay. It's time for dressing. So you have a ton of garlic in here.
Yes.
Tell me about the
2
garlic
large
dressing.
cloves. It's gonna be a lemony, garlicky dressing. Really simple,
It's one of my
only
favorites.
3 ingredients.
I love it. Let me cut the lemon for you.
Sure. Is this your, is this Tastefully Rico today?
It's the Rico. And
I'm loving
so
this.
we have a little contraption. We squeeze the lemon juice in, right?
Yes, indeed.
All right.
Oh! Wow.
Strong.
That was gross.
Number 2. Let's see if I can get it in one squeeze here. There we go. After that, I know we're gonna need a little bit of olive oil, right? I'm just gonna, beautiful. And olive oil, it just binds everything together.
Wow, this is a beautiful day for all of us.
And next you're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper. I don't like a lot of salt because the saltiness comes through with the pepperoncini and the olives and the feta. That's about good. And of course you want some black pepper to really round out that heat. And then you're gonna whisk it up.
I'm scared
Can we
for
put
you.
it in the salad now?
Put it in the salad.
Okay, awesome.
Right over the top.
Does it get
Just
any
like that.
better than that? Time
Make
to
sure
toss.
to get all that garlic, and it is time to toss.
Yeah, no garlic left behind. You forgot one thing.
And if you want to add a dash of oregano, that's kind of like the classic in Greek salad. So here you go. You don't need to do this, but this is just a little extra something something if you like oregano.
Extra zhuzh. is what I'm talking about.
Yes, please.
Give me that Greek salad, give me that Greek salad, give me that Greek salad. Much love.
Love. That job. Tastefully, Eric does it again.
I'm on a roll.
Check this out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it.
You keep eating everything in sight. You got it on your sleeve like a little child.